Hello guys, hi. Today I'm going to teach you how to solve the Hello guys, hi. Today I'm going to teach you how to solve the problem of setup Windows 10. uh, Many problem occurs in Windows 10 because Windows 10 bootable uh, you have to install from Windows CD, or you have to install the window from insert the bootable pen drive. That occurs some file missing. Sometimes you have to copy any data, that's case. So you have to this problem occurs. uh, you have to show this problem. Okay, I show you my laptop. In my case, in the laptop I set up program. Occurs this mode, automatic go boot mode, window boot mode. You have to make bootable and other bootable. You have to format the bootable printf and install the make bootable and insert the this printf in this laptop. Or you have to insert the another DVD to install the window. Okay guys, then you have to insert the pen drive. Now I am going to insert the pen drive, another bootable pen drive. Okay, then you have to insert the pen drive. Now then you have to off it. Off, and you have to open it. Open and press bootable key and choose your bootable pen drive. Okay, then I choose the bootable pen drive, USB hard disk. USB, my bootable pen drive is SanDisk. You saw here USB pen SanDisk. Press enter. Then you have to select the Windows setup. Okay guys, then press enter. Then you have to show in my case my pen drive is multi-bootable, so I am going to choose Windows 10 64-bit. Okay, then press enter. Suggest restarting. Insert the window, install and restart your computer. Choose the select settings and go to the next. Okay guys, one occurs. Then you have to press the bottom. We have to first. Again you have to select the SanDisk. Press enter. Then select setup NTFS. Press enter. Then you select the window. In my case I will select the Windows 10 64-bit. Select loading. We have to wait for 2 minutes. Now loading the window, starting. Now you see as opening the window. Now you have to repair it. Okay, but you have to repair it. then, then you have to press next. Started. Then you have to it API, then click API. Okay, then you have to go to travel setting, repairing the PC. Cancel it, advance, go advance. Pairing the system. Now you have to wait few minutes. Then you have to show as starting the computer. You have to wait for a few minutes. Then you show options, please wait. So I have to wait it, and you show complete the mission. Here window starting. You show here window is now complete start. Okay guys, we have to enter the password. You show window start, then password 98234, enter. Now solve the Windows setup. Then you like my video, then you have to subscribe my channel, and subscribe, and you have to also push the bell icon, because when I give to update video, then it give to notification to you, so my another video. So please subscribe my channel and give like, and also you have to subscribe my channel and push icon, you have to push the bell icon. Then thank you very much, very much, and to watching my video. Okay, bye bye.